Tricks on these topics: relation between beta and theta, Lensmaker's formula, TIR and Snell's law, and more. Being very important, requested to go to the complete session. Now let's start with the concept and question. Question is, light travels a distance x in time t1 in air and 10x in time t2 in another tensor medium. What is the critical angle for the medium? For critical angle, necessary condition is that ray of light should pass from denser to rare. Denser to rare means d mu r equal to sin I upon sin r equal to Vd over Vr. Now, according to definition of TI, according to definition of TIR, according to definition of TIR, R equal to 90 degree, corresponding to that I equal to IC, critical angle. So d mu r equal to mu r upon mu d equal to sin IC upon sin 90 equal to Vd. डेंसर मीडियम में क्या दिया हूं मैं? Vd 10x in time t2, distance upon time 10x upon t2 upon x upon t1, x upon t1. On simplification, sin c comes out to be 10 t1 upon t2. Therefore, c will be equal to IC लिख लो या critical angle लिख लो. Critical angle will be equal to sine of inverse 10 t1 upon t2. This is the answer. Let's check the answer. A first is the correct answer, right? Question is, for Young's double slit experiment, two statements are given below. Statement 1. If the screen is moved away from the plane of the slits, angular separation of the fringes remains constant. If the monochromatic source is replaced by another monochromatic source of larger wavelength, the angular separation of the fringe decreases. Four options are given to, one option is correct. Question is taken from NEET 2023. Concept applicable in solution. You know, beta linear fringe width. Linear fringe width, that is equal to d lambda upon small d. Capital D is distance between screen and slits. Small d is the distance between slits, and lambda is the wavelength of monochromatic light used for this one, and theta is the angular separation between two consecutive dark or bright fringes. Theta is the angular separation. In this is a linear distance between two dark or consecutive dark or bright fringes. So if we rearrange this, then theta comes out to be lambda by d or beta by capital D, capital D, beta by capital D. In this case, now we have to move according to the question. Now, come to the question. Theta angle separation, theta equal to lambda by D, right? Or beta upon small d. If the screen oil from the plane of the slits, angular separation of fringes remain constant. Depend mainly on these parameters. It means this is true. If the monochromatic source is replaced by another monochromatic source of wavelength, you know theta equal to lambda by d. Larger. If it is increases, angular separation should increase. According to that, it is going to decrease. So this is false. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. 4th is the correct option. Right? That question. Before start of the next question. Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel Set is Zipto. In earlier session, we have gone through all these, going to be very, very important. These are the concerned playlist and solutions. You can go through these. It is requested, अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, please subscribe it and share with your colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question and concepts. Question is, in the figure shown here, what is the equivalent focal length of the combination of lenses? Assume that all layers are thin. 4 options are given to you. One of the options is correct. Question is taken from NEET 2023. Concept, applicability and solution. It is a combination of 3 lenses, f1, f2, f3. So 1 over f equivalent will be equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 plus 1 by f3. This formula will be applicable finally. Now in this case, lens maker formula is applicable. Lens maker's formula. 1 by f equal to mu minus 1 over r1 minus 1 over r2. This is the lens maker formula, where mu is the refractive index of the material of the lens with respect to medium in which it is placed. To find f1, 1 over f1 equal to, this will come out to be infinity r1 positive, 1.6 minus 1 by infinity minus 1 by 20, that is 0.6 divided by minus 20, that is minus 3 by 100. f1 comes out to be 1 over f1 comes out to be minus 3 by 100 per centimeter. Right? Now f3 में 1 by f3 equal to 1.6 minus 1, ये क्या आएगा? ये नेगेटिव आएगा, minus 1 by 20 minus 1 by infinity. Means एक प्लेन ये बना ना, one is this one, one is this one, one is this one. So this is, ये आ गया minus 3 by 100, 1 by f3. ये एक आ गया आंसर. To find f2, 1 by f2, 1.5 minus 1, refractive index उसको दिया होगा 20, like this. ये पॉजिटिव होगा, ये नेगेटिव होगा. 1 by 20 minus 1 by 20. 0.5 into 2 by 20, 1 by 10. This comes out to be 1 by 20 per centimeter. ठीक है? Therefore, 1 by f equivalent will be equal to minus 3 by 100 plus 1 by 20 minus 3 by 100. On simplification, 100 minus 3 plus 5 minus 3, that is minus 1 by 100. So F equivalent comes out to be minus 100 centimeter. This is the answer. Let's check the answer. Fourth is the correct option. Right? Next question. Question is, two thin lenses are of same focal length, but one is convex and other is concave. When they are placed in contact with each other, the equivalent focal length of the combination will be. Four options are given to you. One of the options is correct. Question is taken from NEET 2023. F combination will be equal to 1 over F concave plus 1 over F convex. Right? Now, F concave is negative, F convex is positive. And according to question, F concave equal to F convex. Therefore, 1 by F combination, 1 by F minus 1 by F, that is 0. F combination will be infinity. If we talk about power, power will be 1 by F in meter. Answer is diopter. So power will be 1 by infinity, that is 0. So our answer is this one. F is infinity. First answer is the correct option, right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Set His Shift Learns, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.